Welcome to Cute Animals and Curious Facts. Today we're diving into a world of living magic, where 7 astonishing creatures can vanish from sight for up to 24 hours and then reappear as if by spell. We'll uncover the science behind each master of disguise, show you exactly how these animals pull off their disappearing act, and give you a simple, at-home experiment so you can watch the trick in real time. By the end of this video you'll not only be amazed, you'll have the tools to explore nature's best illusion right from your kitchen table. Let's get started. First up is the cuttlefish, the chameleon of the sea. Unlike a true chameleon, a cuttlefish changes its skin color and texture in a split second by expanding or contracting thousands of tiny pigment cells called chromatophores, as well as reflective cells called iridophores and leucophores. The animal's brain sends electrical signals that pump pigment into or out of these cells, creating patterns that match the surrounding sand, coral, or even the flicker of light on water. This rapid transformation can make the cuttlefish disappear for minutes, but when it settles on a quiet ocean floor it can remain perfectly hidden for many hours, waiting for prey. You can see this camouflage in action with a quick DIY experiment. Fill a clear glass with water, add a few drops of black food coloring, and gently drop a small piece of white paper to represent a cuttlefish. Stir the water slowly and watch how the paper becomes invisible as the dark pigment spreads, mimicking how the animal blends with its background. Try it with different colors and notice how the paper vanishes when the water matches its hue. Next, meet the leaf-tailed gecko of Madagascar. This tiny reptile has a flattened tail that looks exactly like a dried leaf, complete with brown veins and a serrated edge. Its skin contains specialized cells that produce pigments matching the forest floor, while the texture of its scales creates a three-dimensional leaf illusion. When the gecko remains perfectly still, predators see only a pile of litter, and the gecko can stay concealed for up to a full day. For a home version, grab a green leaf, a piece of brown construction paper, and a small toy lizard. Tape the paper to the leaf to mimic the gecko's pattern, then place the toy on a tabletop covered with shredded paper. When the background matches the toy's colors, it becomes almost invisible. Move a flashlight across the scene and notice how the gecko stays hidden until the light angle changes, just like the real animal's reliance on lighting. Our third marvel is the Arctic fox, a true winter wizard. In the snowy months its fur turns a pristine white, reflecting almost all visible light. The fur also has a hollow core, making it an excellent insulator and giving it a fluffy appearance that breaks up its outline. This combination of color and texture lets the fox blend into the endless white landscape, allowing it to stay out of sight for hours while it stalks prey or rests. To replicate this, line a shallow tray with cotton balls and sprinkle a thin layer of flour on top to represent snow. Place a white pom-pom in the center and gently blow a breeze with a fan. The pom-pom will disappear among the snow until you change the lighting or stir the flour. This simple model shows how a uniform background and soft edges help the fox remain hidden. Number 4 is the mimic octopus, a true shapeshifter of the deep. It can not only change color but also contort its body to imitate other marine animals such as lionfish, sea snakes, and flatfish. It does this by controlling muscular hydrostats, muscle groups that act like a flexible skeleton, allowing it to flatten, elongate, or puff up in seconds. By adopting the appearance of a more dangerous creature, it deters predators and can stay unseen for long periods. Your at-home experiment uses octopus ink. Fill a small bowl with water and add a few drops of black ink or washable paint. Drop a white marble into the mixture. As the ink spreads, the marble becomes cloaked in darkness, just as the octopus releases a cloud to hide its retreat. Watch how the marble fades from view and then reappears when the ink diffuses, illustrating the principle of rapid pigment dispersion. Fifth on our list is the stick insect, a walking branch. Its elongated body, jointed legs, and bark-like coloration make it virtually indistinguishable from twigs. The insect's exoskeleton contains microscopic structures that scatter light in the same way tree bark does, creating a perfect visual match. When it remains motionless, even the keenest bird can't spot it, allowing the insect to stay concealed for an entire daylight cycle. Create a mini camouflage test with a wooden stick, a piece of green felt, and a tiny toy insect. Wrap the felt around the stick to mimic bark, then place the toy insect along the length. From a distance the insect disappears. Move your viewpoint closer and you'll see how a slight shift in angle reveals the hidden shape, just as a predator's perspective can break the stick insect's disguise. The sixth marvel is the snow leopard, the high-altitude phantom of the Himalayas. Its thick, spotted coat blends with the rocky, snow-dusted terrain. The spots break up its outline, a principle known as disruptive coloration. Moreover, the leopard's long tail can be tucked behind rocks, further reducing its silhouette. This camouflage lets the cat stalk prey across vast, barren landscapes and remain unseen for many hours. To demonstrate disruptive coloration, cut a sheet of paper into irregular shapes and arrange them on a plain background. Place a small toy cat in the center. The contrasting patches break up the cat's outline, making it harder to spot. Shift the paper pieces slightly and notice how the cat becomes more visible, showing how pattern placement is crucial for effective camouflage. Finally, we arrive at the leaf-mimicking katydid of South America. This insect's wings are shaped and colored exactly like a dead leaf, complete with veins and even a brown bite mark. Its body can fold flat against the leaf surface, and the wings can sway gently in the breeze, creating a realistic leaf-in-the-wind effect. This dynamic camouflage can keep the katydid hidden for up to a full day while it feeds on plant sap. For a quick experiment, take a paper leaf, draw realistic veins, and attach a small paper insect underneath. Gently blow across the leaf and watch how the insect moves with the leaf sway, staying hidden from view. The motion adds an extra layer of deception, just as the real katydid uses wind to stay concealed. Let's recap. We explored the cuttlefish's chromatophore magic, the leaf-tailed gecko's textured mimicry, the Arctic fox's snowy veil, the mimic octopus's shape-shifting ink cloud, the stick insect's twig illusion, the snow leopard's disruptive spots, and the leaf-mimicking katydid's moving camouflage. Each creature uses a unique blend of color, texture, behavior, and light manipulation to vanish for hours, and each can be demonstrated with a simple experiment you can try at home. Now it's your turn to become a nature detective. Grab the supplies we mentioned, set up a few experiments, and see the magic unfold in your own living room. Remember, the world of camouflage is all around us, waiting to be discovered. If you loved watching these incredible disappearances and trying the experiments yourself, make sure to subscribe for daily cute animals and amazing facts. Hit the bell so you never miss another magical discovery, and share this video with friends who love a good mystery. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and let nature's wonders inspire you.